Hey traders, TG Watkins here. Hope you guys are doing well. It is November 25th. We are now into the Thanksgiving week, so it's going to be a short week. Remember that Thursday is closed because of Thanksgiving, and Friday is a half day. It's going to close 3 hours early. So yeah, do whatever you need to do about that. And then also remember, over here at Simpler Trading, we are having a Black Friday sale. So we have basically 30% off store-wide. And if you guys are interested, this is the kind of market that is really working well for me. If you guys want to come into the trading room and for the Moxie indicator, because yeah, we've been just getting signals galore. But I wanted to show you that these are some of our biggest winners right now. Anywhere from Reddit, HNST, Tesla, and then Bitcoin. We did the leveraged ETF of that. And I tell you, we actually just took profits on BitX, which is Bitcoin, just the other day at about 110%, and we called it because Bitcoin was coming up on 100,000. I just figured, that's a kind of a big round number. It's going to act as a magnet and resistance, and we took some off, and then of course it's down today. So I think we nailed that one pretty perfectly, and then we'll just be patient for the next entry on it. We still have a pretty good size on it, as I said, just took some profits off. But yeah, we've got, I think Reddit is upwards of 160%, and then HNST is even higher. I think it's like 138%, and then Tesla keeps kind of creeping up around there. So yeah, these are some of our biggest trades that we've had so far. As far as the market goes, what you guys can see is last week the market got a little bit stretched. You can see here on the 15-minute time frame, and then over the weekend, Friday into Monday, we got this nice bounce off of the 15-minute 50 and a little oversold. I mean, you could just see like big vertical thing, it had a big gap like that, and what it do, came down, filled the gap, found support, and then popped up and sideways. This is also looking pretty good. I really don't see any issues here, and in fact we are getting a fresh Moxie price trigger here on the hourly chart, and all of this stems from price bouncing off of the daily 21 from last week, especially after Nvidia earnings. So speaking of Nvidia, it's still kind of selling off. The semiconductor space is still just kind of looking weak. There's really not too much to say about that. Don't really know what the answer is, but Nvidia kind of turned out to be one of those buy the rumor, sell the news for earnings. And from a technical standpoint, I can actually point out here, this is what I call an inverse trampoline move. You have price over the 50, the Moxie indicator below 0. That is not a situation that should occur. If you're going to be over the 50 SMA, you want the Moxie indicator to be above 0. So the Moxie indicator was actually telling us, despite earnings, that this thing was likely to move down. So that was a pretty good indication. And, maybe big picture, price is kind of pulling back to the daily 50. We'll have to see if at some point that actually ends up being some support and, whatever. But right now it's just not the thing, and we're not doing anything with Nvidia. And so if you guys are into that, you might need to be a little bit patient or kind of wait till the coast is clear. Now, another name that was giving us a little bit of problems back in the day, but has since recovered, I want to show you his HIMS. I mean, look at this thing turn around. So we did couple things on this. One of them we got in just beautifully right here, very perfect. You can see the Moxie price trigger. We even had a pullback into the hourly 50 like that, jumped up thinking everything's great, and then I think there was some news that came out that Amazon might be kind of encroaching in on their space, and boom, down like that. So we got stopped out with a small profit on that one, so no big deal. But then I saw that this was actually looking like it was going to continue to hold. You could see that daily chart looking pretty fantastic right there. And then last week we could see here popped up over the hourly 50, and I said I think we should go for it again. So we hopped in basically right where we got out before, and now we're up here. We're even higher than we were before, and so I think we're looking at 33% gain in just a matter of days on something like HIMS. So yeah, this market's really great. We're having an awesome time with it. This kind of reminds me of 2020 when basically everything was doing well. I think we've got some a further road ahead of us. Remember, 2020 was such a flash in the pan, and that bazooka of cash coming from Jay Powell that it only lasted about 4 months as far as the craziness. I think this stuff is, we're seeing much longer duration. I think we're going to be lasting at least 4 months and hopefully longer. Maybe we go a year. I don't know. But this is looking really nice market. And so, guys, I'm telling you, we already had 4 positions that went well over 100%. I also have a webinar that's coming up December 5th. If you guys want to come check that out, I'll show you everything we've been doing with the 0 DTE and with the the growth stocks that we're seeing out there. So lots and lots of stuff coming up. I hope you guys are interested in getting aggressive with this market. And remember, Simpler Trading is having a Black Friday sale for 30% off most stuff, including my stuff. So come on over and check it out. Thanks again, guys, and we'll see you at the next one.
Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.